Shallot dressing is the dressing we get the most when we visit my parents in France. It starts obviously with a little dollop of mustard. I am making dressing for two, so I'm going to use around half a teaspoon of mustard. Then we add the salt straight away, and that's simply so the granules have got a chance to dissolve in the vinegar and the mustard before we add the oil. You know me with my white pepper. It's the only pepper we have in the house. Any pepper will do. And maybe some of you could educate me about peppers and tell me more about them in the comments. Now we've got our basic seasoning in, we're going to start adding flavors. Today I've chosen white wine vinegar because it's quite neutral and I don't want to overwhelm the avocado salad I'm making. So 2 spoons of white vinegar, or any vinegar depending on what you're going to accompany with your dressing. And this is the time where we give it a good stir to melt the salt. Once there's no more salt granules left, we add oil. I'm choosing sunflower oil and I'm putting twice as much oil as I did put vinegar. It's going to make a relatively strong vinaigrette because it's the only thing we're adding to our avocado today. And the shallot. So we want the shallot to be cut in tiny little pieces, a little bit like jewels that we're going to add to our salad. So here we go with the fresh shallot. I love the fact that it's got that lovely pink in it. It also looks lovely on top of your salads. And that's it. Your vinaigrette is ready. Do not add it to anything until you are ready to eat, because it would really change the color and the texture of your salad. Today we're having avocado. Again, open it at the last minute when you're almost, your guests are already at the table. And this is how you would get it on a normal day with the family. Your half avocado filled with a little bit of shallot vinaigrette, and you're getting a spoon, and everybody will just shovel the avocado out of their skins at the table. Of course, if you want to be a little more fancy, you can fan your avocado, add another ingredient to your salad. I think a quail egg would look really lovely there as a starter for a dinner party. Et voilà! Bon appétit les amis!